Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your game history on Ludo King. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ludo King game on your device, and once it is opened up, proceed forward with logging into your account if you haven't done so already, using your Google or your Facebook ID. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you will see various different game modes that you can enjoy. Now, if you wish to check your history, then you can do this by tapping on the Play with Friends option. Within this page, you will see the game history option at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can either use your King Pass to access this at all times, or you can view this once for free. Tap on this button, and now you will be able to see all of your game history, which includes all of the games that you have played. If you don't have any history within the game history section, then this simply means that you will need to play more games, and especially the online mode with your friends. Once you play enough games, your history will appear within the game history option. And there you have it. That is how you can see your game history on Ludo King. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.